Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome friends, I am Khizar Iqbal. Welcome to my channel Software Town. Friends, today I will share with you a very important knowledge that is about a megapixels, that how to find the megapixels. Most of people don't know about a megapixel, that how to find a megapixel and what is a megapixel. Friends, most of people when buy a camera or mobile phone, they look at the top of the box or mobile and estimate the megapixel. But friends, today I will tell you that how to find the megapixel and how many megapixel camera has taken out by looking at the picture. So start it now. So friends, first of all, take a fresh picture in your mobile phone, because in all picture the resolution has disturbed. Look at this, I have taken this picture a few minutes before in my mobile phone. And now hover on that picture. Hover means that take your mouse pointer over the picture, but don't click on it like this. It will show a dimension like 3120 cross 4160. This is a dimension, or you can check it by right click and open properties, choose detail option. So look at this, this is a dimension 3120 cross 4160. It's mean 3120 is a width and 4160 is a height. So this is a dimension. Friend, this is in a computer. You can check your dimension resolution in your mobile phones. In some mobiles there is a detail option or resolution option or a direct dimension option, so you can check it. So friends, look at this, the dimension is 3120 multiplied by 4160. I want to open notepad. Now to find a megapixel, the formula is width static h divided by m. Width multiplied by height divided by mega. Now students, open your calculator. Width multiplied by height. Width multiplied by height. The width is 3120. 3120 multiplied by 4160 equal to 12979,200. So right here 12979,200. So this is our width multiplied by height divided by mega, m. Now students, what is the m? M mean mega. In prefixes, mega mean 10 raised to power 6. It's mean 1 and 6 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 mean 10 lakh, 1 million. So it's mean in 1 megapixel there is a 1 million pixels. So divide it. Now friend, again open your calculator. Again type the value 12,979,200 divided by 1 million. 1 2 3 4 5 6 equal to 12.97. in round of figure it will become a 13. It's mean this picture has taken in a 13 megapixel camera. So by this you can check the megapixel, you can calculate the megapixel of any camera. So friends, if you like this knowledge, so please press on like button and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. And inshallah I will make another interesting video on a storage unit. So subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos.